Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make egg cover soft tofu recipe. Hope you like it. This recipe is easy and suitable to make for whole family to eat. Eggs are rich in high-quality protein, multiple vitamins such as A, D, and B group, minerals iron, zinc, lecithin, and choline. They are nutritionally complete and easily absorbed natural foods that are beneficial to the brain, vision, and overall health. Soft tofu is rich in plant protein, calcium, iron, and multiple vitamins. It is a healthy ingredient with low calories and high nutrition. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: soft tofu, eggs, shrimps, soy sauce, noodle soy sauce. I bought this sauce in Malacca. This is not a commercial advertisement. I just like it and want to share it with you. Crack eggs into bowl and beat until frothy. Optional to add salt at own preference. Get ready soft tofu by removing the plastic and set aside. Drizzle cooking oil and add soft tofu into wok. Cut soft tofu into small pieces. Place prawns on soft tofu. Cover the pot and simmer the shrimp until cooked. Pour the egg liquid in and remember not to stir it and let it cook until it's solidified. Optimal to drizzle pepper powder. Pour soy sauce or noodle sauce. If you want to use scallion oil, it's even better. It's so easy and it's ready to be served. If you have fried onions at home, you can add them. If you want to do the same as me, you can buy ready-made ones and they will taste just as delicious. Garnish with a layer of fried shallots. It looks so appetizing. A simple egg wrapped with tender tofu and shrimp. Every bite is full of happiness. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. The texture of the egg-wrapped tender tofu is smooth and delicate. The freshness of the tender tofu and the tenderness of the egg blend together, which tastes delicious with a hint of warm aroma. The shrimp is tender and juicy with firm and elastic texture. It tastes delicate and smooth with a light seafood aroma. Shrimp is rich in high-quality protein, low in fat, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, as well as vitamin B12, iron and calcium. It is nutritious and good for heart health. Shrimp is a low-fat, high-protein seafood rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, phosphorus, selenium, iodine, and other nutrients, which are helpful for cardiovascular health, immunity, and thyroid function. At the same time, the antioxidant ingredients in shrimp, such as astaxanthin, also have a positive effect on fighting free radicals and delaying aging. Eggs are a nutritious food that provides high-quality protein and contains all the essential amino acids needed by the human body. The vitamin D in eggs contributes to bone health, while the choline content is essential for brain development and function. In addition, the lutein and zeaxanthin in eggs are beneficial to eye health and can help prevent vision loss. Eggs are also a good source of iron, selenium, and a variety of B vitamins, which help with energy metabolism and immune system maintenance. In short, eggs are an important part of a balanced diet and have significant benefits for maintaining overall health. As the essence of soy products, soft tofu is not only delicate in texture and tender in taste, but also a nutritious delicacy. It contains high-quality plant protein and is a high-quality protein source for vegetarians. It is low in calories and almost cholesterol-free, and is friendly to cardiovascular health. The soy isoflavones in soft tofu help regulate endocrine, which is especially beneficial for women. At the same time, it is also a good source of minerals such as calcium, iron, and magnesium, which contributes to bone health and blood circulation. In addition, soft tofu is easy to digest and absorb, and is a healthy food suitable for all ages. Regular consumption can promote metabolism and enhance the body's immunity. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.